as the Marlo Williams, also known as the Little Phil Weld Boy, graduated 2019 from the PTTI training program.
So tell us about the journey coming to PTTI. How you got here?
Got here, basically I started out doing the wrong stuff like everybody else, and I was looking for a way out. One of my friends, he was named Dave, a barber. He kept trying to push me to go back to school. I kept, trying to go around it. So eventually, I guess it was like a sign because I kept seeing PTTI everywhere. I get on the sub, it's an advertisement here. So I said, all right, let me come in. I came in and I signed up for the program. 2 weeks into it, I instantly liked it. As school basic still is, it's like that camaraderie in regards to like it's family oriented, so it's like you had the outlets to get what you came for. So it was like, so my issue was, like I said, 2 weeks into the program, they had to pull me out the program because they couldn't find my GED. So heartbroken like that. They took something from me that I really started to develop a little passion for. So I told the reps, give me 30 days. I come back and I'm gonna take the GED test. And I'm coming back because around this time, like I said, like I was done with the streets and like I already committed myself to this. You know what I'm saying? So, and I had my support cast, so everybody was rooting for me, my wife and all that. So that's what I did. I took 3 days off again. The same person, my friend Dave, because he seen that I was crying like a little baby after he told me I couldn't have the school no more. Like literally, bro. Like I remember it like it was yesterday. Like when they told me I had to leave, I was like so heartbroken. I jumped on the phone with my wife, and I'm like in my feelings. And I walked literally from here to the to where my friend barbershop is on, brought in Clearfield by the game. Just staying on the phone because I was like more like hurt, trauma, like damn, I came this far and now now another obstacle, boom, boom, boom. So he says again, good dude. He says, all right, this is what we want to do. I'm gonna pay for half the test and you pay for the other half. And on top of that, he gave me like a job because I say he's a barber, so I would basically like clean up in the barber shop, this and the third. But that was his like to make me, not make me, to help me not lose focus what I wanted. Stay in the barbershop, study on your GED, boom. You need a couple dollars, boom. Do this, I'm talking about sweeping hair and, my man gave me $50, $60. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is the type of friend I had, you know what I'm saying? Like, so, and to make a long story short, I took the test and I actually scored higher than my original test scores was.
So wait, you studied for the GED in 30 days and passed the test. And how old was you?
I'm 40 now. At that time, I was 36, 37.
36, 37.
Right.
So you were going your whole adult life without a GED diploma.
No, I had a GED. Well, see, what the problem was, I had a GED in Job Corps. There used to be a guy named Mr. Andre that we used to, so he knew the Job Corps I was at. So the Job Corps was under a different management sponsor, so they couldn't get the access because it was so long. They would find it, they would find it, so they couldn't find it. So I'm like, all right, whatever. So, like I said, all right, I will take it again. You know what I mean? Because it was like I didn't have no option versus me just sitting there like, all right, I'm gonna give him time to see if he want to get an email from this person and all that. So it was like, wow, that's going on. All right, I might as well take the test. You know what I mean? So, like I said, I took the test. I had a higher grade percentage than I had when I took the test when I was 17 when I took it. I was more, you would hear the whole shop, everybody bang, like, so that was like another like key of motivation, like for sure everybody, yeah, all right, that's what's up. Damn, these ones pass, yeah, they pass. Boom, the whole shop, like,
you're going crazy.
Used to be going crazy. That's how it was in graduation. Like, we used to start our feet on the ground, like, this make it sound like fire or whatever, like that was the welders. Everybody was like, these boys, it's crazy. Like,
that's what's up though. So what's your proudest accomplishment from being PTTI?
Say again?
What's your proudest accomplishment?
I was to getting where I'm at right now with this pipe roller. Like I said, course was 6 months, but you see I'm still here. Like it literally, for me to get where I'm satisfied at now with the weld, like it took 2 years. 2 years of after school. I'm still coming in on my free time, still trying to, see what, you know what I mean? Because like I tell people, like, one, you're not gonna weld the same every day. You know what I mean? Like, you're human being, you got some stuff in your mind, whatever. Two is like, today just might not be a day. You know what I mean? Like, that might not be a day, but like, you can go in there with the mindset like, oh, I'm gonna kill it, but then it's like I used to tell my customers, yeah, I'm looking at it for right now. Once I take stuff down and I get into the job, now I can really see what I'm working with. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, you can look at something, but you don't really understand how, like your artistic, light don't start to kick in until, you got that plain canvas.
That plain canvas.
That plain canvas, you know what I mean? So it's like, that's always been my thing. Like, all right, once I strip something, that's my brain is like, all right, yeah, let's go. I'll do this, I know they never seen this. I'll go on YouTube, look up to see if somebody else did it. I'll, take their drawing, put my little twist on it. So it's like, and then when I post that stuff and I see and I get the reactions from the people, that's the joint that I'm like, oh, all right, I'm around, like I'm around, like, dang.
So is there anybody you would like to thank from PTTI?
Man, the list goes on. First my rep, Leon administration and all of them, like, they was always like top supporters. Leon, Liz, Miss Jackson when she was here, you know what I mean? Like, they was like top supporters. Like, how many certs you got today? What you doing today? Like, you know what I mean? That was, like I said, like, come check on me. Oh, let me see this. Can you make this for me? Give me one. Like, you know what I mean? Stuff like that. Of course, Sherman was always like special back in the day. Like, you had a problem, like you knock on the door, Sherman, like, all right, sit down, what's up? We gonna handle it. Boom, 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 boom. All the instructors, as much as I got on their nerves, but you know what I mean? Like, from Ariel, Pops, Big John, Dre, even Joe. You know what I mean? Joe, when he was the manager, as the manager, like Joe used to always, I don't know, like me and Joe built like a real strong relationship to where though, like, I learned more professionalism from Joe. Like, I learned that from Joe in his Purdy, especially his Purdy. And that's my heart right there. Like, and she gives it to you straight raw. She gives it to you. I mean, like, without sugarcoating it, because ain't nobody else gonna sugarcoat it for you.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I like the thing, like the whole cast.
So what does your future look
Miss
like?
Sandy too for giving me my checks on time. Said Miss Sandy too for giving me my checks on time.
She made sure that payroll was through.
Absolutely.
Shout out to Miss Sandy.
See Miss Sandy in that parking lot, it's a good day.
Yeah. So what does your future look like after like this? What does your future look like?
Like right now, like I said, I'm 40. So I mean, like, I'm looking at my end game for real. So it's like get as much out of it for myself, because I know again eventually I want to go back to teaching again. Like, that's, I love doing for myself, but now I'm at that point now, it's like I'd rather teach now. You know what I'm saying? Like, because it's, like I said, it's nothing like planting that seed and seeing that flower grow. And you're like, damn, like, I remember this boy couldn't even screw the torch on. This boy couldn't even do this. And I look at this guy, like, same thing, like, when Big John see that with me, like, yo, man, like, so that's, so when I get that, it's like the young guy that you see me talking to downstairs, like, I literally walked him through his whole school, and it was like, even though I wasn't here, but he was still getting it. He was FaceTiming me. Yo, bro, I'm here. Look at this. How I do this? And my wife, it's crazy. My wife, he used to call me so much that my wife knows who this boy is. The young guy downstairs, like she like, is Cedric there? I'm like, yeah, he just called me. Yo, bro, I did this. Like, and it's like, I my wife like, oh, like, that's your second call, and I'm like, yeah, teacher.
That's dope.
Like,
That's dope as shit.
like, that's the second call.
Is there anything you'd like to say to the PTTI community?
Today, like, I just want to be like, look at my testimony as motivation. Like, I mean, you know, a lot of dudes be thinking that it's over. You know what I'm saying? Like, because of the age limit or their backgrounds and all that. Like I, you know, like I said, I'm from North Philly. I come from just your average stuff that everybody that went through, from the streets, incarceration, bumping your head, trying to do little labor jobs and temp jobs, like just keep trying to figure your way out. Just like I always tell people, like, I mean, you said the same thing, like, just go with the passion. Like, I always tell my students, like, especially when I talk orientation here, I always start off, I say, how many of y'all are here for the money?